So today we're going to be working on this F-150 and putting a distributor in it. So we're going to see what's going on with it. You gotta put a distributor in it. What an oily mess that is. I'm probably gonna try to clean that out before I pull the distributor out, that way no debris gets down in there. And there's the hold down bolt right there. First thing we're gonna do is disconnect the battery. Wow, that shit's nice. That's some nice steel. Lots of magnetism. That's what we need for that light, really.
Para subirme, cabrón. ¿Para qué?
Cool. Cold today. Feeling a little under the weather. So some coffee will wake us up a little bit. A little bit of leche. Perfect. Just like how I like it, not very sweet at all. It's just a slight hint of sweet, but mostly coffee. Oh. But this is the break room here at Big Ben's Automotive, the place I work at. A great place. Probably the best place here in Emporia. It's good coffee. Something of which I don't have much of right now. I need more coffee in my life. So, taking off the sugar cap first. After you will, of course, disconnect your negative or your ground. What, Jay?
So is your Snap-on jacket comfy?
Oh, you're so warm. Yeah, I'm happy.
I'm jealous.
You'll just buy one.
I can't buy one until they're like released.
What do you mean?
Like, are you on the jacket program or whatever?
No.
Or did you get it for your box?
Got from a box.
Yeah, see. There's a jacket program you gotta pay $40 a week until like January, I think. And you gotta buy enough tools to offset it, and the jacket in the end is free. And
Why don't you just buy one? Like,
he
fuck
won't
that.
let me until like after Christmas.
Really?
Yeah. He told me not until after Christmas because right now it's the jacket program is the only way they're available.
That's cool.
Technically.
Well, I mean, I hope when I just spent $8 grand in tools that I get a jacket.
Oh yeah, I'm sure that offset it to get a free jacket. They're only $150, so yeah, I'm sure.
From Snappity off? From Snap off? I want to check it out. Where's that? Go see. I want to see.
I'm sorry, say what?
Did you order it or do you have it?
He had it, but I can't have it until my extensions come in.
Okay.
Because I bought their 4-piece impact extension set.
I need to buy a couple 1 foot 1/2 inch extensions. I had a couple of them a while back.
Well, it's kind of like this, but it's a 4-piece and it's got this one, and it's like an 11.5 inch one. It's like 3, 5.5, and then 11.
3/8 or 1/2 inch extensions.
1/2 inch.
That's a good deal.
And then it's got a small.
You know what? You would have been better off just buying like one long fucking 1/2 inch extension, like a 3 foot 1/2 inch extension. That way for transmissions. I need to buy one.
Well,
but
I'm gonna get one. I was trying to get a fucking Bluetooth speaker. They wouldn't sell it to me.
You wouldn't sell just the speaker?
Yeah. Because it's a free gift if you buy. It was like a 7-piece snap ring plier set, the 4-piece extension.
Oh, you gotta get one of them specials.
Yeah.
See, that's cool.
So,
Like, what sucks is now I just bought that cool ass Snap-on Power Probe. Well, I didn't want to buy it the day I had it on sale because I would have got more shit with it. Because I need to pay them some more in my account. I gave them like another $400 or $500 before. I was like, yeah, I'll do that. But I would have gotten more probe testing shit if I would have bought it on the sale day. Which I don't really. I'm happy with just what I got, anyways.
yeah, are you paying them weekly or monthly?
I pay them weekly. $100 a week.
Fuck that.
What?
Fuck you.
What's your fucking language? Biatch.
What was the emphasis on
You
that?
were coming with a comeback, and as soon as I say biatch, it kind of flew away.
Yeah,
from your
it
head.
fucked me up because you the emphasis on that. Biatch, like
Biznitch. Oh, that one.
Should have seen his face.
Yeah, I'm just speechless.
He was working out a comeback.
I
He
was.
was like,
And then I
oh,
said
oh,
biatch, and he just kind of
it's gone.
forgot what he was
No
doing.
comeback now.
Yeah,
Hey, do you know where
I do not.
you know
Or what?
Here.
Adapter.
I'd love to find your brain, Jay.
Huh?
I was saying I'd like to find Jay's brain.
Brain?
Brain.
Dude, that motherfucker left years ago.
Oof, that's a bad deal.
Yeah. Motherfucker said,
Where
I'm
you going?
going.
I saw you over there struggling with a little. Kidding yourself.
That's the shop, guys. That was Tony and Jay. We always have a lot of fun. You know, regardless, having a good day, a bad day, we make the best of it. Some of us have better days than others. So realistically, like, so much easier to remove this whole power steering bracket BS, but in our use case scenario, we're not going to do it. But what you are gonna want to do is mark your distributor as best as you can to the orientation it's at, and also pay close attention to the orientation once you remove it, because when you pull it out pull your distributor out, it's going to come out of the cam gear and it's going to clock slightly. And if you put your old distributor in the exact way it's clocked as it comes out, it'll go right back in. No questions asked. Okay, once we got that out, you got the bolt loose, obviously, you got the fork loose. We're going to do a few things here. We're going to grab my magnet. Magnet. And then we're going to do the hokey pokey. No, I'm just kidding. Let's see. Magnet. I know I came over here for something else, but I'm trying to remember what it was. Marker. Paint marker.